In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the Copilot function in Excel. This feature can be incredibly useful for optimizing your workflow, allowing you to automate tasks and gain insights with ease. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring you understand not just how to enable Copilot, but also how to start utilizing it right away. To begin, let's open Excel. You can find the Excel application by searching through your Start menu or accessing it from your desktop if you have a shortcut. Once Excel is open, we're ready to move on to the next step. Next, navigate to the File menu. You can find this in the top left corner of your screen. Clicking here will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Options. This is where we configure various settings for Excel. In the Options menu, you'll see several tabs along the left side. Scroll through these options until you find the one labeled Copilot. This section will allow us to adjust settings specific to the Copilot function. Click on it to proceed to the next step. In the Copilot settings, you'll find a toggle switch. By default, this may be turned off. To enable Copilot, simply toggle this switch to the on position. This action activates the Copilot feature within Excel, and you'll start to see some changes in your Excel interface. Now that we've enabled Copilot, let's verify that everything is set up correctly. Return to the main Excel interface, and you should notice a new icon appearing on the home ribbon. This Copilot icon indicates that the feature is active and ready to assist you with your tasks. The final step is to click on this Copilot icon. Doing so will open the Copilot panel where you can begin interacting with it. You can give it prompts related to your current project, and it will assist you in executing tasks or providing solutions based on your input. This is where the real power of Copilot shines, helping you manage data more efficiently and reducing the time you spend on repetitive tasks. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. Take some time to explore the various functions and abilities Copilot offers. Familiarizing yourself with its capabilities can significantly enhance your Excel experience and provide you with valuable insights right when you need them. And there you have it. Enabling Copilot in Excel is a simple process that takes just a few minutes. By following these steps, you're now equipped to leverage this powerful tool to its full potential. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check back for more helpful tutorials like this one.